Now children, today we are going to start with chapter number 7, the climate of Bharat. So let's study about the climate. What is weather? It is an atmospheric condition of particular day or very near future. Climate of a place is regular pattern of weather condition for long period of time. It is vast country. It has different types of landforms like mountain, plateaus and plains. Some areas near the coast while other away from it, and these features determine the climate of the country. जो क्लाइमेट है वो वेरी करता है फ्रॉम वन रीजन टू अदर. सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री आर एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड while other are warm, right? So some parts of the countries are flooded while other are in famine for the want of rain. Some parts enjoy the same climatic condition throughout the year, hot in summer and very cold in winter. Clothing and food of a place largely depends upon the climate. Climate of the country is mainly shaped by Himalayan ranges. So the important factors that determine climate are the location of Bharat near the equator, long sea coast. It is true that climate of Bharat differ from place to place. Every part of the Bharat experiences the same cycle of season, and the Indian climate can be divided into three main seasons: summer season, rainy season, winter season. Summer season जो आपका start होता है April and lasts till end of June. The sun rays fall directly overhead in the summer. It becomes hot in the northern plains and people do not dare to come out of their homes. ये लोग बाहर नहीं आते घर से. Right, in the summer the days are longer than night. In the north, Bharat hot and dry wind called Lu blows across the desert region. In the month of May, dust storms are common in summer. Many people die from sunstroke. Right, there is an acute shortage of water, acute summer. Many people move to lower Himalayan regions. In cool and pleasant, Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Sangla are some famous hill stations. The southern part of Bharat lies in the hot than the northern plain. It is because cool sea breeze which blows from the sea lowers the temperature. और हम क्या करते हैं? Mangoes enjoy करते हैं, which is the king of fruit. Rainy season, इसको monsoon season कहते हैं. In Bharat, it begins in the mid-June and lasts till September. Monsoon wind blow from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry lot of moisture. वो heavy rain लेके आते हैं in most part of the country in the month of June, July, August. Monsoon arrives in the Kerala and by the middle by June. Right, the whole country experience heavy rainfall. Masing Rao in the Khasi Hills in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall. The desert area like Rajasthan and Gujarat get very little rain. The average annual rainfall of the country is about 120 centimeters. Right, the coast of Tamil Nadu receive rain in the winter season and the rainy season जो होता है वो आपका last करता है from till September. It is very important as the farmer in the Bharat largely depends upon monsoon to irrigate the field. At winter season begins from mid-November. These days are shorter than nights. North Bharat experiences severe cold during the season. January is the coldest month in the North Bharat. In this season, strong winds होती है from the west called western disturbances causes light rainfall in the plain, snowfall in the mountain, and therefore followed by very cold weather and fog. In southern Bharat, the winter is moderate. Right, the weather is cold and pleasant. The winter season is generally dry throughout the country, except along Tamil Nadu days. People here do not require woolen clothes. Right, the winter season lasts from November to February. Winter is the season of apples, oranges, green leafy vegetables. The cycle of season continues a year all over the country. Change in season brings change in lifestyle, clothing, and food habits. This makes our life enjoyable, interesting, and happy. राइट, दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. वी हैव इंडियन मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट जिनका काम होता है, मतलब आप देखेंगे कि जो एजेंसीज है गवर्नमेंट की, प्रिंसिपल एजेंसी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है फॉर ऑब्जर्वेशन, वेदर फोरकास्ट और सिस्मोलॉजी. राइट, नेक्स्ट इज माउंट आबू, यूनिक फ्लेवर लेके आता है हिल स्टेशन का. डेजर्ट ऑफ आइसर, स्प्रिंग एंड ऑटम आर द टू शॉर्ट सीजन जो हमें देखने को मिलता. राइट, दिस इज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. लेट्स मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू.